One of the most important questions that we have to answer in this course is what exactly is an API documentation. So an API documentation is really just something you can deliver to people and they can use that to understand exactly how to effectively use or integrate with your API. So it's just a way that you're gonna be able to tell them, say, hey, if you want to use my API, here is the link or here is the URL, here are the different endpoints, and this is how you call those endpoints, and these are the parameters that you need to pass, etc. So it's really just something you can deliver, which is why it says the technical content deliverable, meaning you can deliver it and it has instructions on how to effectively use and integrate with your API. And I have another more defined definition below, and I'm not gonna go ahead and read it to you, but it's really just saying the same thing. Hey, you want to be able to be as thorough as possible because there might be people that are not developers or they're not very tech savvy, and they might still be able to go to your API and try to understand what it's doing, and they should be able to understand exactly how to use it and what it's doing. I mean, of course, they're not going to be able to understand everything like a software engineer or a developer, but they should be able to understand exactly what the API is and what it's doing and how to actually use it to some degree. So it's really just a way for you to tell people or tell the world, say, hey, this is my API and this is how you're supposed to use it. Obviously, this is a very high level summary, but you have to be as thorough as possible. You have to define what kind of information you're gonna give them back, how they need to call your API, if there is any authentication that they need to do, and things like that. So it's really just explaining to people how to use your API.